Welcome to Hind Networks. So, after successfully completion of the CCNA Onsite training, we have reviewed some of the students who were present in the training. Hello, Vandita. How did this course at Hind Networks improves your networking knowledge? Hello. At Hind Networks, actually, I just not only just got enrolled, but I also learned various topics related to CCNA, which actually helped to grasp a great foundation for my career further. And also our trainer Ranjit Vidar at Hind Networks, he has a great knowledge related to uh, company experience and other things, what will be helpful in our near future. So he also trained us regarding the trending networking technologies. That's it. Were your doubts properly cleared by the trainer Ranjit sir? Yes, actually he's really very much experienced. He gave us many much more knowledge which would be required in our career. That's all. Which topic was most useful or interesting? For me, the most useful and interesting topic were subnetting in OSPF, the routing protocols. So in subnetting, like at the very start, it was a bit difficult to understand because I was really new since I'm from a commerce background. But later, I started to enjoy. Yeah. And related to OSPF, by learning that, I got to know that how routers actually work. It seems to be like there's something adaptive or alive, like how the routers are communicating with each other. So yes, I love the session. Why did you choose Hind Networks for the CCNA course?
Okay, so there was a session kept work in my college regarding courses, what they're offering. So my dad attended that session because I was job. So later on, it in it and came to know what exactly they are offering and what is more. Yeah, I was already interested in it, but don't know where to start or from where what's the right to start. So after a meeting, that I came to know like that there is more to learn about things. From here only, I came to know about CCI. So it really helped me to decide to take a next step towards my career. That's why in network.
How was the trainer teaching style?
Trainer's teaching style is super, so knowledgeable that doesn't believe in explaining the only concept, but also explain that what exactly the industry demands now and what's the use case of each and every. That's a good part for everyone. Yeah,
Do you feel ready for the CCNA exam?
definitely.
Hello, Sandeep. What part of the course helped you the most?
Uh, Before joining the CCNA, I was not sure that part will help me. But after joining, I came to know about the OSPF, routing and switching, and many more things. Thanks to the run this.
How did you hear about the CCNA course at Hind Networks?
So one of my friend is doing the CCNA, and he told me that it is a very good field, and you should. Uh, he told me that your background for IT strong, and you should go for a CCNA network. If you're also promoting as a commerce background, you can do that.
Was the training well organized?
Yeah, thanks to Ranjit and Hind Network, the training was very organized. Uh, Besides this, the teacher style of Ranjit sir was super. And after all, I'm from the commerce background, but because of himself, I came to know about the network.